Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use version history in Miro and break down what you get for free versus what requires a paid plan. First, to access version history on any board, click on the board's title in the top left corner. In the drop-down menu, look for and select version history. This will open a panel on the right showing a timeline of your board's major saves. The free version of Miro keeps a limited version history, typically showing only the most recent, auto-saved versions. You can click on any of these past versions to preview what the board looked like at that time. Here's the key difference. On the free plan, you can only view past versions. To restore an old version, you would need to manually copy and paste elements into your current board. If you have a paid plan like Starter or Business, you get powerful restore options. You can directly revert the entire board to a previous version with a single click, saving you from potential mistakes or lost work. Paid plans also retain a much longer and more detailed history, allowing you to see changes over a greater period. So, to summarize, free users can view history, while paid users can view and fully restore it with one click, and that's the breakdown of version history in Miro. If you found this comparison helpful, let me know in the comments if you use the free or paid version. See you in the next one.